Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining us, please don't make it your last. I'm still your baby girl Oge. I talk about business, beauty, and personal development from Asaba Delta State. So today we are going to talk about how to start your own business. Maybe you have many business ideas, you don't know which one to start, you don't know which one to launch, you don't know where to start from. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the step by step which you will use to launch your business and maximize profit. If this interests you, kindly stay back and watch till the end of this video. At the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus tips, so you don't want to miss it. So watch till the end. Thank you. So the first step in starting your own business is deciding which business to start. Some may find this easy, some may not. Some may actually say it's obvious, like if I'm starting a business, I should actually know which business to start, but some don't find it very easy because some of us don't have any business idea and some have numerous business ideas. So in picking which business idea to start is find out that they will be confused. Which business should I pick? So if you have many business ideas, before you choose the business you want to start, the one you want to launch in particular, you have to know your environment. Who are your target customers? Who are going to buy from you? So if you analyze those things with your environment and the business ideas you have at hand, then you will know which business you will pick from the numerous business ideas. Then if you don't actually have any business idea, I'll drop a link in the bio. You will see business ideas for women. You can actually choose one that suits you and your environment. The next one is write a business plan. Of course, you will not go to a journey without a direction. If you are setting out on a journey to a place you've not been before, you will need a map. You pull out your Google map for direction. So it is in business. If you are starting a business, you've not done the business before, you've not done business before, so you are just starting out, so you need a direction. Your business plan will serve as a direction. It will serve as a lamp to your feet. So when starting out your own business, you need to write a business plan. Your business plan don't have to be up to 20 pages and be that much. You don't need it. Maybe 1 or 2 pages. Be specific. Go straight to the point. What do you expect? What is the overview of your business? Who are your target customers? How why will people choose you? There are many things you need to write down in your business plan. It will help you so much in making more sales because your business plan is your direction. So it will help you to achieving that goal, that big goal that you've set for your business. It's your business plan that is going to take you there. Without a business plan, you've not started. So in my next video, I'll be walking you through a step by step on how to write a business plan. If you want to see it, kindly subscribe and wait for the next video. The next video will be dropping next week. So I'll be walking you on step by step on how to write your business plan that will convert to sales. Thank you. The next one on starting your own business is validate your business idea. Yes, some people actually have business idea, like I said earlier. Some don't have, some have too many, like it's numerous, you can't count. But before you start, you need to validate it. You need to verify it. Is this business that I'm about to start now, is it worth it? Is it what customers will want to buy? My product, is it what customers will want to buy? This business, is it going to take me to the place I want to be? So you need to validate it. On validating your business plan, you need to know the market requirements. Why will people want to buy your product? Why would they not want to buy your product? You need to run a market analysis on your product. Go to your environment, meet people. This is what I sell. Why would you want to buy and why would they not want to buy? If they actually want to buy, why are they making the purchase? If they are not interested in it, why are they not interested in it? This thing will help you to know if there is a market for the business you're about to start. You don't go and invest your money in a business that is not proven. Okay, so you need to validate your business idea. Thank you. So now you've validated your business idea. The next one is to set up your store or website for online business. So now you've actually choose the business you want to start, you've written a business plan, you've validated it before I say rubbish, and make sure that it's something that is going to sell. Now you need to set up your store or your website. If it's online business, you need to set up a website. You can hire a professional web design, or you can create a website by yourself using WordPress. I'll do a video on how to create a website by yourself using a WordPress. There are other application you can also use to create a website, but personally I use WordPress. So I'll walk you through how to create a website using WordPress. So setting up your store, you need to set up your store. Make your store look nice, make it look appealing to your customer. Set it up in a way that whoever visits your website will want to make a purchase. So you may actually want to hire a professional web design, as I said earlier, but since you are starting out, you can do it yourself. That's DIY using WordPress. I just want to remind you that you've not subscribed. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, why have you not subscribed? Well, subscribe and join the family. Thank you. The next one is build a sales machine. What is business without sale? Like, what is business if you are not making sale? If you finish designing your product, or if you finish importing your products and they are just staring at you, will you say you are in business? You are not, obvious. So you need to build a sales machine. How are you going to sell this product? How do you get to your target customer? You need to plan on your sale. You need to advertise. Are you going to use a sponsored ad? You need to just any way, one-on-one, any way you know you're going to make sales. That is show up every day. Show up every day on your social media handle, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, Instagram, or the rest. You can use paid advert or normal free advert. Anyone, just build a sales machine that is proven. Yes, some call it a sales funnel. Just somewhere. If you need to join a community, yes, there are several communities that can help you to sell faster. If you need it, just comment down below sales community, then I'll add it to the one I'm using. So they will help you to sell your goods fast. They will help you in promoting you. That is the sales machine that you need to sell faster. The next one is set up your business finance. You need to separate your personal money from your business money. You can open a business account, but in Nigeria now, the process of opening a business account is becoming cumbersome by the day. But you can actually use another personal savings account, but a different one from the one you use with your day-to-day activities, with your day-to-day transaction rather. It should be different from your normal account. Don't go and mix your business money with your personal money, because you will see it, you feel like I still have money. You end up spending both your gain and your capital. So having a different account for your business money will help you to separate your business money from your personal money. It will also help you to reinvest your profit in your business, because as you are making sales, you are getting profits. So you don't need to be spending the profit. If not, you'll be stagnant. If you are making profit and you are spending it, you are using the capital that you started with to continue the business, you will just be stagnant. It will be like you're not doing anything. But you need to reinvest your profit in your business. So that is why you need an account that is different. You need an account that is different from your normal savings account. Thank you. So I said earlier before that you need to build a sales machine. So this one I'm saying now is similar, but this is more serious. You need to get visible. You need to get what? Get visible. People cannot buy from you if they're not seeing you. Like, if you're not seeing me now, how will you know that I'm a YouTuber? Of course, you wouldn't know. So, people cannot buy from you unless they can see you. I don't mean seeing you one on one. Maybe seeing you on social media, you need to get visible. Post daily. Post daily. If you need to use sponsored ad, do. If you need to join a sales team, do. Just make sure you get visible. Get social on social media. Let me just use this word. Yes, get social on social media. Some people will just come to social media, maybe they post one or two things, they are off. No, get social on social media. Interact with people, meet new people, share your opinion about things that is happening. It will help you to get visible on social media. People will see you. Some will want to check your profile out. Wow, what's this person is speaking intelligently or something. They want to check your profile out. So that is how people get to know you and get to know the product you represent, the brand you represent rather, sorry. So you need to get visible on social media. You need to get visible social media or one-on-one. Just get visible by all means. Double check on this one. Thank you. So now maybe you've actually gotten visibility that you need. The last one but not the least here is grow your team. Yes, your business is growing. You need to grow your team. You need to get help. You can't do it yourself all alone at this point. You'll be needing helping hands. Yes, maybe you will need a social media manager or any help you need